So guys, we're gonna do a mystery car. Bacon never ever would do that again, right? He apologized. He did. Seriously. Okay, Bacon. I gotta do my video. Bacon? My mystery car. What the heck is this? What the heck is this? Ooh, that's amazing. It got bombs on it. Bacon? Bacon? You realize what you did. You apologize and never do that. I'm gonna push you. Can you stop? Oh no, don't push it yet. I'm gonna activate a bomb on it. And I activate for 1 second! You stupid Bacon! I told you, you need to apologize and now you yanked me out of the plane. Mystery car, do not do nothing or else I will kick you out. Okay, I'm gonna do a mystery car. I'm gonna see where's the mystery car. Dang it. Okay, we know now that. Okay, what is he doing? Okay, he likes pushing cars off the plane. He threw himself. Now what? Where's the mystery car? Okay. Wait, oh, here's the mystery car. Now we gotta do something. Took my bomb. You think that was so easy? I got a secret for you. On you. Pow! That's enough. I'm gonna explode your car. Explode your car. That's my secret. Come on. You're not gonna reveal me! My hand! It was an accident! Why my hand? I'm literally 16. Well, I can still make the video, you know, without the bacon. Mystery car. Oh, a graveyard. It says a graveyard car. This old Jeep. Oh, that's GMC. Okay. Now we gotta. You know what I'm gonna do. If you spawn a car and you get super close to it, I'm gonna explode it. Okay? Do your car. I'm gonna do this. There. You want a car? Oh, you like your car? Wow, I made you a new car.